We've passed quarantine and we are gone, baby. We're off to anchor and explore some of the Bahamas' most beautiful and remote islands, starting with the Berries. We anchored off of, oh, big fish. We're anchored off of Soldier's Key. Gorgeous anchorage. It's still early, but we dropped the dinghy down just to kind of check out the area. We're not seeing too much, so there's no point in getting in. Yeah, there was a turtle. We're gonna wait till a little bit later to kind of check it out because the sun's still high, but gorgeous anchorage. The first day is starting out right. We've anchored at our very own island. It's full of beauty and sharks. Are you ready? Let's do it. Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. Looking for something exciting, free, and real? If so, you found the right place. Meet Calypso, our floating home.
It's not working.
We're sailing her all over and taking you for the ride. Please click on subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down.
We spotted a shark. No, that's not it. Shoot, where'd it go? So that answers my question. Jeremiah's like, do you want to anchor and get in? And I was like, yeah. Then I spotted a shark. I was like, no,
Oh, come on.
No, I don't. Jeez. Oof.
Cool.
We saw something I saw something, it was like bent.
Yeah, like a piece of metal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe it was treasure.
Dug in. Why would you think that's treasure?
Could be.
One man's treasure is another man's... Wait,
No.
one man's trash is another
Yeah,
man's
that's
treasure.
right. Yeah. So today we are gonna relax a little bit and then head over to the beach, explore this little island. Has shark all around it, which is pretty cool. We'll just relax and have a good night.
We're good for deepness.
So this is a mom hanging her 6-year-old kid headfirst in the shark-infested waters for fun.
Yeah, we read on the reviews that there's blacktip, lemon shark, and reef shark.
Reef
right?
shark, and then something else that was unidentified. Probably a great white.
Oh my gosh. But it makes sense. I mean, it goes right out to the ocean.
Yeah.
So they probably come in
Beautiful.
from there.
And you know, it's a good thing when you see sharks. You don't want to, you know, obviously get bit by a shark and all that, and we don't like that whole idea, like being in the water with sharks, even though we've dove with sharks, but you know, it's good to see them active.
Well, the thing is like people will come and fish and then clean their fish, and it attracts the sharks, or people will feed the sharks from their boat.
Yeah.
And then that confuses the shark. It makes them think like we're here to feed.
Yeah. Oh, look, a boat. And they circle the boat.
Yeah.
So we'll see if we have any sharks circling the boat. She's over there. Maybe fly the drone tonight. That'd be sick. Maybe fly the drone from the beach.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
There's been a turtle over here too. Oh, that's it. That was a stingray. Did you see that? That was a stingray. Yeah, that was a ray. He took off. He's in that patch right now.
It was a huge stingray. Maybe it's over there. They jet so fast.
Huh?
They jet so fast.
Yeah.
Gone.
And we're getting surrounded by a couple shark. One just went right by us, and I saw another one coming in. Now it looks like they're right together. So we'll see if they come over to the boat again. They are just big spots right there. They're together, right? I don't know, maybe they're just talking. There we go.
The nurse shark primarily feeds on small fish. They're typically an inshore, bottom-dwelling species. It's pretty fun to see them circling your boat. It's always a thrill to watch them glide through the water. Tapas were a huge success. Let's knock out these dishes so we can get to the beach.
Let's do it.
We have like 2 hours till the sun goes down. Perfect time to be at the beach, but we got quite the mess.
You guys all set?
Yeah.
All right.
Got my cooler full of goodies.
We're gonna go to the beach on a remote island in the Bahamas.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, you go first.
Yep.
Oh, me? Here, you gonna hand this to me?
Sharks.
Is that why you have me go first? I don't think they'll bother us.
I take it that it's hot. He like flew down the stairs.
Yeah.
Oh, it's warm.
I literally flew downstairs and didn't feel faint. I didn't even feel
I'm gonna get the dinghy back before I go.
All right, let me have this.
Oh, be careful with my drink.
Okay.
We're departing for a day in the sun on our very own island.
How do you feel like, you know, being out here on a dinghy when you know there's some big freaking sharks?
Pretty good. I'm actually surprised that they aren't under the boat because we just did the dishes.
Yeah. I don't think they're looking for tacos.
I guess not.
Yeah.
They were yummy though.
Yeah, but we are headed to this beautiful little, it's called Soldier Key. And it's a remote island around the berries.
We spent the entire day here, just relaxing and spending time together as a family. Shark? That's interesting. How'd you like that I had those Band-Aids?
Good job, Mom.
Yeah, that's a
job.
prepared mom. We're playing Mr. Bubbles. Let's show him how we play Mr. Bubbles.
You show him.
Okay, the idea was he squirts me with the bubbles, and if he gets me, then I have to squirt him with the bubbles running around. Well, Reese had an injury.
Fell.
Tell them how it happened, Mom.
He fell over some sharp shell, but Mommy here keeps batteries.
She does keep batteries.
Yeah. Band-Aids right here. I've had them in this bag for probably 3 years.
Nice.
And maybe only used them twice.
Good job,
We
Mom.
used them today.
Good job. We were all alone, and we had another boat come in, but they anchored way back there. That was nice. Sometimes people come and just drop right on top of you for some reason. They were great, and then Reese is now getting Mommy. But this is it. This is pretty much the whole island. The other side's the windward side. And it's beautiful. Just been hanging out all day.
Yeah, I wonder why they call it Soldier's Key. Do you think it's like, it looks like a soldier from, well, we'll know.
I don't know.
From the drone?
Yeah, I don't know.
Very nice.
What's going on, dude?
Trying to get the birds to eat it.
Trying to get him to eat it. What is that, Mr. Foam, right? Mr. Bubble. Mr. Bubble Foam Soap. That's cool. The bird's been enjoying playing with Reese here. I think they might think it's worms.
Yeah, they think it's worms. How would they think it's worms if I'm shooting out worms out of this?
I don't know.
It says bubbly worm, I guess. I guess they think it says bubbly worm, birds eat.
Moments like this are exactly the reason we cruise. These days make it all worth it. Soldier Key, you're spectacular. thank you for the wonderful memories. It was a snoozy night aboard Calypso. Tomorrow we'll head on to the Blue Hole.
We just made about 60 gallons of water, and so the tanks are nice and full. They were kind of full before, but there's a lightning storm in the background. I think it's going to pass to our stern, which is nice, but every once in a while these storms do come up. We are over in the sweet anchorage next to the Blue Hole in the Bahamas. Really pretty, really remote. It's kind of exactly what we're looking for.
Well, we had to leave the anchorage of the Blue Hole, and unfortunately we never got to see the Blue Hole. Storms were rolling in yesterday, and they went all day long. So none of us really got a good sleep, but that's okay. And then the winds pick up tomorrow to between 20 and 30 knots. We need diesel, we need fresh food, so it's kind of like the perfect storm coming together. And the winds pick up for about a week. So we were trying to get into a marina in the Berries. There's only 2, and only one of them has like a grocery store that you can get fresh food at. So we had to call around to Nassau. A lot of them were booked, but we got into one in Nassau for the week of the winds blowing. We're a little disappointed. We don't want to go into a marina, but we need fresh food, diesel, and Wi-Fi to work so we can put up some videos. So we're on our way to Nassau. We decided to spend the day fishing. So we just put some new lures on. The old lures are the ones that we use for our passage from Grenada to the United States. They look a little rough.
So I'm gonna run one short. Can't remember what that's called. Abel knows all this stuff. He's going to tell me. I'm gonna run one short right behind the boat. I'm gonna run one long. So we're gonna cross between the Berries and Nassau, and some people have luck out here. So we have nice new fresh hooks on, new lures. Hopefully they like the colors. We'll see.
It was this little man that suggested that we fish today. You ready to fish?
Let's fish.
We've had a little luck fishing before. Let's give it a go. This is supposed to be a pretty active area for big hits.
Pull it in, Mom? Oh yeah. You wanna do it?
I don't
There you
care.
go.
Oh boy.
Pull when you can. When it's loose, real fast. Go ahead and grab it.
Oh god.
Good luck.
Now lean back with it. There you go.
Now we go.
Oh my goodness.
Come on. There you go.
Coming up on the Lazy Geckos. You're gonna go for it, huh?
Have to.
You're always giving me crap. The winds are blowing. Toiletries, snacks. A big reason why we stayed in the States for so long. 8 rounds of antibiotics.
This is the windy application.
What did you do wrong, Jeremiah?
This is David Copperfield's island.
We'll drop this board off. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.